Hey everyone, what's up? It's Stephen KC Ralpan here, and this is gonna be a little bit like a video of a little update video of what I've been doing to the layout lately, because I don't think I've done like a layout update in quite some time now. So I thought I'd do a video of like an update of what I've done to the layout lately, because I pretty much haven't done one in a while. So I haven't done much to the layout. Like I haven't got some new track and stuff. I just been pretty busy with getting like so many like locomotives and rolling stock lately, and then I just haven't had time to think about getting some track, because there's lots of new releases coming soon, like, you know, such as like the Rapido, Horizon Fleet passenger cars and all that, and then soon the Scale Trains coil cars are coming, along with the next run of the Ton of Motors. So I thought I'd just do a little update video and show you guys what's been new to the layout. So first off, I have now started to get into intermodal. So here's all the rolling stock I have. So this right here I believe it's like a Husky stack wheel car. It's only just one set. This is a Rapido freight wheel car, so it's actually pretty nice. It came with 2 containers along with it. So it came with the JB Hunt on the top, and this one right here, which is the BNSF container that has like hub grooves on the sides. It's really nice, but the thing that I didn't like about this is the fact that it came with a broken coupler. Like one coupler was like bent, so this coupler right here, as you can see, was like bent. So I had to unscrew that and replace it with a KD. So on this side has the KD, but the other side was not really damaged. It was all right. So moving on. Next, I have a 3 set of spine cars. These are all made by Bowser. I think Bowser did an absolutely great job on these, because I know Athearn also makes these as well. But Athearn is sold out, they're discontinued, they're very hard to find. I don't know when will Athearn ever make another run of these. So it's pretty nice. These are all in the TTAX, and they all have the old logo of the TTX scheme right there, which is really cool. And the cup group containers are Scale Trains operators, so I have these. They're currently lashed onto the NS train right now, because I'm going to be creating an NS inner model, like basically model inner models after the ones that go through KC, since I live in the Kansas City area. So I'm just getting a good head start. Like maybe I could think about getting some spine cars with trailers on it, even though I know the inner models that go through KC usually don't have those, or they usually just put like the container chassis on them on the spine cars instead. But it'd be just what if, because I think it would be interesting to have trailers on it as well. Especially like in those Walters 48-foot trailer spine cars that can fit like those 45-foot trailers. Because I can fit like UPS trailers on them. It's pretty nice. So I'm getting to a good start with the intermodal, so I'll definitely collect some more intermodal equipment. Freight, rolling stock, and some containers and trailers, and see how that goes, so I can create an intermodal. It's really cool. So these are some of the new rolling stock I have. I don't have much. So yeah. So right, moving on. I also did a bit of a modification on a particular locomotive. This is a Scale Trains operator BNSF SD40-2, which is in the brand new run number. So basically, some modifications I did. Like the horn, as I relocated the horn on the locomotive, because the horn used to be like right about here. But that's not really correct for BNSF SD4-2, so I relocated it to right here, to on this side, because basically that's correct. That's the correct location for the SD4-2s on BNSF, so I think it turned out pretty nice. I just had to glue it down and just make it hold still and such. And the thing is, I also had to install like roof details as well. Like I believe it has these like air conditioners on top of the real 1938. So I'll probably put some like air conditioners on there, make it more typical. And then I'm not sure about the ditch lights though, because ditch light will be hard to install. And so I think it turned out pretty good relocating the horn. So yeah. And the only reason why I picked this one up, because like the real 1930 has the headlights onto the cab mounted instead of low mounted. So I think this one turned out pretty good. So yeah. Alright, moving on. Alright, so basically I think that's all that's new to the layout. I know I haven't did much of the layout, like I haven't got some new track and all that. As you can see, I'm still working on the second main line, and I just main line, and then it will end up somewhere right here, like that. So I know I was supposed to get that done, but I just haven't been able to buy some new track lately, just because of so many locomotives and rolling stock and lots of other things I got on my to-do list I'm still currently doing. So I'll be sure I'm going to try to get the second main line done, so that way it'll be done. So then afterwards we'll make the yard and then the engine facility and all that. So anyways, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this little update video on what's new to what I've been doing to the layout, because I know it's been a while since I did an update. So anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.